The address is our new development in Altrincham, Manchester's most sought-after suburb, where works are progressing at pace. The structural steelwork for the building is now complete, and waterproofing works are progressing below the ground floor slab. Precast units are now complete, the screed is ongoing and is currently being layered across the ground floor. First fix and mechanical is now underway. Aluminium windows for the block have been ordered and will be installed upon delivery following their manufacture.